What's up, guys? Alright, so we're here at the airport already. We just got here and we're almost about to take off to Miami. So T-minus like 2 hours, about around there. Right?
Our flight got delayed,
So we're gonna have to wait here a little bit. But guess what I brought today, bros? I brought the laptop. So we're gonna get to editing whenever we do get off, and whenever we get to Miami, we'll get back to you. So boys and girls, our flight got delayed and we're gonna have to wait a little bit more. We're supposed to actually leave by 6:30 and get there by 10 or something like that, but we're actually leaving at 8 o'clock now and now getting there till 11. So we'll see how that goes and stuff, and hopefully we just get to Miami safe and sound, and yeah, we'll have a blast. So let's get it. Can you believe this is an actual airport? Like, this looks like a damn mall, you know, like this is pretty crazy. All right, boys, so we're here in Miami, brothers. We're in fucking Miami. Get ready, because I'm gonna bring you guys some crazy content tonight. We're actually gonna go out to this club. I don't know, it probably closes around 5. It's the homeboy Jalone.
We're staying at a fucking trap house.
Y'all want to go follow him on his Instagram? That's Young Jewel 710, baby.
Right there, bro.
Let's get it. Get it. I want to get arrested, but otherwise I'd fucking go outside on the window for you guys and give you some crazy ass content. But we're not in our city and we're not in our state, so we're gonna have to do what we can. First party foul of the week, boys.
Can't have one without the other. It was raining in the skies. Oh, we can't be torn apart. We are linked together, forging fire forever. We are linked together.
You know that I'm gonna get you content. Papo or no?
Show them what we just bought.
Look guys. Check that shit out.